Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here. In this video, we're going to learn about OpenAlgo symbols. So recently, there was a question in our Discord community where one of the trader asked, "Would you please help me with the OpenAlgo symbols?" So he want to know how to get the OpenAlgo symbols. So I'm going to explain you how you can get the OpenAlgo symbols. So first thing is you have to go to the documentation. From there you can go and see the symbol format. The symbol format is pretty clear for equity, futures and option segments. Maybe if in case you don't have time to watch these documentation, there is a very simpler solution is there. You can go to your OpenAlgo. Inside OpenAlgo you can go to the search section. So from the search section you can go to the let's say you want an index, so nifty NSE underscore index, and you want nifty symbol, right? So just simply type nifty and you will be getting a lot of symbols. All you have to do is just type nifty and then search. So you will be able to get all these symbols in an formatted mode, in a table format. So from here you will be able to figure out what is the symbol. For example, nifty 50. So you can find the symbol, the first column which contains a symbol, which is nothing but the OpenAlgo symbol, and the broker symbol, that's a corresponding broker symbol. So if in case if you want to fetch any data or any order that you want to place, you always have to use the OpenAlgo symbols. You can just copy it and then make use of it. The second symbol, what he is asking is like 5th June 2025 expiry CE. So all you have to do is you have to go and simply type nifty 5th June, right? So 5 June probably. Let me try like this. So 5 June, JUN, or maybe 05 June, that also works. So 05 June 25, right? So CE, so that will be giving you the call option, or maybe you have to send the strike symbol as well. So probably you also have to mention strike symbol. Let's say I want to get the 24,800 call option. So you can give multiple spaces, and likewise you can go and search it out, right? You can also get nifty 24,700 put option. If you want to search like this, you can also search here. And maybe you're interested only in June contract, you just give any combination of symbol format that you can give. Automatically the corresponding contract you will be able to see from here. You can select it, search it, and then copy the symbol, and you can go and use wherever you want, right? So for further complete documentation, please refer the symbol format. The symbol format is very clear. So if you want to send any orders, or you want to send any historical data that you want to fetch, or any codes that you want to fetch, real-time codes you want to fetch, always the end user has to use the OpenAlgo symbol only if you are using OpenAlgo, right? I hope this clarifies in a very greater detail. So see you soon with yet another interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.